How to enable text message notification on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn on or enable the text message notification for your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on apps. From app section, find out the application messages. After you find it, tap on that. From message section, tap on notification. From here, at the top, tap on allow notification. After tap on that, you'll be able to allow or active notification for your iPhone. After you allow this, you can find a lot of banner style for your notification, like you can choose for your lock screen, notification center, or you can as usual choose for the sounds or badges from here. After you customize all of the settings from here, you'll be able to turn on the text message notification on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.